out of the Chinese versions application. I'm waiting for the thing to say I'm streaming before I get too far into it to make sure everything is working properly. To say I'm streaming. Okay, perfect. All right. I like to make sure everything's working before I just start going. So, Cinnamert Mick, I slaughtered your name, but he's asking for the video, Pico video app, and wants a fix for that. So let's go ahead and get started with that. First off, we need to make a folder for it. So let's go with that. So we're going to go Pico video 5.8.2, and then we're going to do this, which is global, and then we're going to then have, because the name is going to be about the same. And okay, so we got that. So now what we need to do is we need to connect the Pico to the computer. Actually, I'm not going to do it that way. I'm just going to go ahead and just grab it, and then we'll just go from there. So let's go for it. Let's get it. And then I'll upload it to the website, and then I'll drop a link to him so that he can have it. That way, that you guys can have the links to the Pico video. All right, so it's actually named kind of weird. It's like TTS, but let me see if I can find it. It's just going to take me a minute. Pico video. Pico video. Pico player. Pico video. Pico video. Oh, I can't remember what it's named. Let's see. Video. I know it's like TTS something. Like that's the name of it. That's the way it's named in thing, but I don't know what the short name is for of it. So just give me a second while I find it. It's going to take a minute. Let's see. Pico player. I don't think that's it because that's ComWim. And then the Panorama player. That's not it. Media storage, media library, see-through, input devices, HTML gesture, external storage, events. Let's see. Okay, let me see if I can do all apps. That's under system. Let's see if I can find it now. Yeah, sorry, it's taking me a while to find it. Pico browser. Pico video, here it is. SS Android TTBR, here it is. Okay, it's going to be SS Android TTBR. So we're going to copy the APK, and we'll go back, and then we'll paste it in here, and just remember com.ss.android TTBR, because that is the name of it. I know it's strange, but that's the name of it. I'm getting both versions. So it's going to be the ones pulled out of this one. So yeah, we're getting it. I'm pulling it out of the global one first, and I'm not pulling it out of the firmware extractor. I'm using the actual video in case there's an updated version that gets downloaded from the store. So that's why I'm doing it that way. So I'm just going to pull it into here, and then ComSS browser. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and throw that in here. And I'm going to provide both versions in this download so that in case people keep asking for both versions. So we got that. So let's go ahead and grab the Pico 3 and get the video out of there. Okay. So yeah. All right, let's grab it out of this one now. Okay. That's the advantage of having both systems running the same firmwares, kind of. Pico video just updated, so see that's why. That's why we needed it, because I just got a notification on my headset that it just updated the video. So yeah, so the latest Pico video is going to be here, and I just got to go to all apps instead of system apps. So all apps, and then I'll throw it into 5.4, and then I'll look for Pico video. And I'm sorry I didn't see your poster right away. It's on my headset, so my eyes are in my headset right now. Live SS. Here it is. It's called like live. So in this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one, copy the APK, and make sure that it's not the same one, because yeah, it's completely confusing. So let me just double check. Oh, Pico, there's 2 of them, so that's Chinese. So I'm going to bring both of them, because they probably have 2 different versions in here. So I'll just grab them both. They have the both same icon as well. Pico Live 3. So we're going to go ahead and copy that just in case we need it. There's like 3 packages here. So I'm glad I grabbed them, and whatever you guys think is necessary to use, but I think I have the right ones. So they're all the same video app, like icon in the Pico 3. So hello. Yeah, so I'm getting both versions, and I'm grabbing, there's like 3 versions that's been updated several times in the Pico 3. That's why I don't grab them extract them from the firmware. Because if you do that, what happens is like you get an old version that's older than the versions that you guys have. So we'll just grab it here real quick, and then, yeah, so we'll just grab them here. And all the COM SS. So this one, and that one. So this one's probably the actual video, but these are probably updates to that video thing. But I'm just going to include them all just in case you guys need them. It's going to make the files kind of big. Hopefully you guys don't mind. But then you guys have every video version, I guess, that they made. So just in case, you never know. All right. So now that I have that, we're going to go ahead and extract it into a thing. So now we have them perfectly lined up. And now we'll just extract it into a folder for us, okay? Yeah, I'm giving both of them. Hello, Fernando. How are you today? You doing good this morning? It's 9:30 a.m. here. Yeah, I just woke up. I kept waking up in the middle of the night. So we'll bring this to here. And then we'll bring other apps and we'll put it in here. There we go. So we'll have it there, Pico Video, and then that way people can like grab it. Oh, you're so welcome. I try to do everything I can to help the community and stuff, and things keep, I keep forgetting, that about certain things, and this person here was requesting a video app, so I'm doing what I can. Let's see if it's already done. Okay, Pico Video. All right, so what we'll do is we'll upload it. Desktop, And then we'll look for Pico video. Boom. Okay. And I do have the fast boot driver on my website. I think I have it on my website, but I think I also have it on Discord. I also have the Pico's Fit and Friends app. So I should cover that too in this live, just to let you guys know what I'm doing also. So that's what I'll do. While I'm waiting, I have Pico Friends and Fit. So what I'll do is I'll share that on the website as well while we're waiting. Because for some reason people want that. And yeah, so we'll add that in on the website too so that people can have it. So we'll add this into other apps. We'll actually okay, region switcher. We'll put it over here because it's an extension of if you want this on top of region switcher. So if you care about the my Pico VR works well thanks to your tools. You have helped me a lot. Oh well, I'm glad. I'm glad it's working for you. I'm glad that it's actually usable. If you are using region switcher, and you want to use Friends and you have a Chinese firmware, this is what this does. So that's why I'm adding this in. So that, but you guys got to use that with conjunction of that because it's pretty much just Friends and Pico Fit. Published. I live in Utah in the United States, so that's where I'm from. So I'm an American pretty much. All right, so we got that, and then let's see if OneDrive, and I like OneDrive because it works in China too, so it helps our Chinese friends. Oh man, it's 1.3 gigabytes, 32 gigabytes. So it's gonna take a minute. My upload is really slow. But yeah, so let me show you what the Friends thing is while we're waiting for that to upload. So I made Pico Friends. So all you got to do when you connect your computer up to it is you just go like, and this is only for global. This is not for Chinese. But if you plug it in, say, I think I have it developer mode in, but if not, we'll test it out and see. It may not be enabled. Okay, let's see. So if you run it, it'll run the application. Yeah, it's not working. So let me enable developer mode because I never tested my own scripts. So just a second. I just have them and they've been working forever, so I just don't really worry about it. There's no reason to change it. If it worked 8 months ago, it should work now, kind of thing. But let me enable developer mode. I've reset my computer since then. Oh, it is. Debugging's on, so why didn't it work? Okay, let's see if it should work. I might not have the driver installed. So if I go in here and I cancel this one out, and I go over to my region switcher, and you just install the driver, and then you press any key, go. Now let's see if it works. Let's see if it'll work. May not work for me. Is there like an issue? Do I have to have it? No, I'm not seeing anything in there. Why isn't my... Maybe I need to disable and enable debug. Let's try that. I'm not sure why my debugging isn't working. Oh, did I change drivers or something? Let's see. Should work. My ADB debugging should be... Let's see, Pico device. Yeah, it should be good. Just try that and then try reinstalling it, I guess, right? Let's see if that works. Pico streaming interface. Let's try this too. Scan. There it is. Update driver. Let's see, Android ADB interface. Let's try that. Yeah, okay. Let's go with that. Okay, let's see if it works now. Huh, that's so odd. I don't know. My computer's kind of messed up. I don't know. Well, it is what it is. It's whatever. Well, yeah, if you run that, it should work. I don't know. Maybe I just need to rerun the install. Maybe that's what I need to do. Let's try that again. Let's go to device manager. I'm just waiting for that thing to do that, to uninstall. We'll uninstall this again, and then we'll use the USB thing. Okay, ADB interface. Let's go ahead and uninstall this. Okay, cool. All right, so now we have that. So let's go ahead and try again. Okay, scan for driver changes. Is my Pico in here now? Okay, no, it's not. Okay, update driver. Browse my computer, go to my desktop. Desktop. And Pico fit. Let's try this, see if it works. Okay, well, let's try the desktop and then Pico fast boot driver. Okay, let's try that fast boot driver. Yeah, that might work. Okay, device manager. Update driver. Browse my computer for the file. Fast boot driver. Let's just try that. No. Let's try the update. Check for updates. Did it work? I don't know. No, it is what it is. It doesn't. Anyway, it's just whatever. It's very particular. But it should work for anybody else that don't have a bunch of stuff screwed up on their phone thing. But yeah, that's the Pico Friends thing. It just runs in and installs. It should work fine on you. Let's see if this is already done. Let's see if I can find the Pico ADB driver. See if we can find it here. I already have the developer center. I think I got the Chinese version. But we'll try this version. Maybe this will give me the driver I need. Oh, all you do is just go into your Pico headset, or for the for friends, you just run that script and it would run. My computer just has a bunch of, I don't know, I just do a bunch of stuff with it. But like to install the video, you just open it up in your file explorer in the Pico. You just drag it into your downloads, and then you just go to APK in your Pico headset, and then if you go to like APK, then you'll see your videos in there once it's uploaded. I'm just installing this for now. Let's see if this I have probably two developer settings. I'm just trying to fix my driver issue on my Pico 4. It's probably why I screwed it up, is because I had developer stuff going on. But yeah, it's pretty easy to install an APK. I can show you guys how to do that real quick too. But yeah, so all you would do is you would just drag the file that you want to install. See all these APKs? You just throw it into your downloads. And then once you're done, let's see if it'll work now. Let's see if my drivers are working properly now. Should be fine now, right? Pico device. Yeah. It's all working now. Okay. So yeah, so I have my ADB devices. We can even like run an ADB command. All sorts of stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe I can change. Yeah, see, I can like change the folder that it's in for the for ADB commands. Wish there was a way to like change language. But yeah. But yeah, so that fixed it actually. See if it actually runs now. Probably not. It's probably all just developer crap. Or I might need to reboot my computer because I might be running something else. It is what it is. Let's see if that's uploaded. And then if not yet, then I'll just show you guys how to install an APK. Let's see here. Yeah, not quite. So what we'll do is we'll go to 2.168.1.19. And I know it's not 19. I know. Okay. So once we get that open, I'll go ahead and grab my trusty old Pico 4, and I'll show you how to install an APK. It's not too hard. Let's see here. Let me get my screencast on. It's now 17 instead of 19. So this is, I just need to change to 17. 11. Okay, so once you drag the application that I'm uploading into the headset, like say your downloads folder, you just click on your file manager here. You click on APKs here, and then you just go in and then you can install it. This is the, and then you just click install, and then it'll install the app for you. I have so many Pico Fit apps on my Pico that insanely, it's going to be so hard to find. But anyway, yeah, so there's all those. Yeah, so like this one, say you want to install this app, it's going to start the app, it'll install it, right? The problem with this application is once you go in here, I have my tracker. But once you go in there and then you look for the what's that one game? Okay, I think I have an underknown Blitz Rhythm. That's what I just installed. So if I go into Blitz Rhythm, okay, yeah, it's just like, okay, showing this, and then as soon as you get in, it's going to break. Okay. And yeah, it works on my Pico 3, but yeah. Anyway, that's how you install an app. You guys can add me on friends on Pico if you guys want to. The Idaho? Yeah, I have property up there. I have property in Idaho. Let's see. Okay, let's see if this goes up here. Okay, I got it publicly released now. So we're going to do Pico video. We're going to go ahead and share this. Video, apply, copy, drop it in here. You guys can now have it for fun, I guess. We'll put it in there into the chat. You're welcome. And then go in here. Pico video. Then we'll link it. Open a new tab, video, apply, done. Publish. Boom. Okay, so now we have it on the website. With the friends and Picos and here. So now Pico video is here as well with other apps. With both versions. So with like several versions, I guess. So like if you go in here, there's the Chinese versions and then the global version of the apps. You can actually install both versions on your headset and it won't hurt anything. Because they register as different applications. So if you install this and Chinese, yeah, let's do that now. Yeah, let's do that now. So what I'll do is I'll grab these and I'll throw them into my Pico 3. And we'll install them real quick. And I'll show you I want to get rid of the video, so COM SS or something. I don't need that one. I don't need this video app. I don't need Pico VR Fit. I don't need that. I don't need that. Okay. We'll just delete these. Okay. Got those. Those are removed out. We're going to remove these because I don't really need these anymore. Okay, cool. So now I have all this. This is going to be fine. We're going to go ahead and we're going to drop the video app in here. Let's do Pico video. And then we'll just drop the Chinese apps in there because I don't need the global ones. I just need that. So just boom. And we'll install them that way so you guys can see again. F11, grab that, grab my controller, if I can reach it. Okay. enter the stupid boundary, which I wish we had a fly-by-night sensor, just like the... Okay, so we can go to File Manager, APKs, and then these are the package for Chinese. Okay, so we're going to install this one first. Okay, it's installing. So I have one video app, right? Okay, it didn't fully install, I don't think. We'll just retry. That left the page. Okay, just takes a minute and a while, I guess. All right, I have to occasionally check your chat, see what's going on. Oops, I hit the back arrow. Okay, cool. All right, so it should show up an unknown all. Okay, so I'm gonna icon. We're gonna move back to icons. It's gonna be easier to see. Okay, so we got the Pico video right there. We have regular Pico video. So let's see what this one looks like. This is the Chinese Pico video app. This is the one that says it is. Okay. Now you can move around, but this is the new one. So you can watch all the thoughts that you want, okay? You can, I guess you can stream it to your phone if you have the Chinese app. Yeah. It's not gonna say that I'm online because of the because my servers are pointing to the global servers. Let's see if it'll let me play a 360 video. Okay, so we got that. There's other apps that we can try, like we can try installing this one, because it might be like an update to it. Let's see. All right, let's see if this goes. Takes a minute. Okay, see if it changed anything. Probably just an addendum to the Pico Video app because I just updated it. It's probably just an update. Oh yeah, it looks like it's updated some things. Okay. Let's try the third one. It's probably another update. That's why I kept all three. And as you can tell, it's not region, like it's not blocking you by account because it's working on my account here on this headset. Okay, so it's just more patches and updates, I guess, to the video app. So yeah, it should be fine. So we got that, and then we have the regular video app, so you can play them side by side or whatever. So you can use both. And then you have this that doesn't have as many things. Oh, you can change your you can actually change your environment now, I think. I didn't know that you had this ability, but I guess now you can change the environment. That's pretty cool. Okay. So let's try try doing that in the other one. Okay. Let's see if the environment is, oh. No, that's a lot of the servers are kind of just gone. Reports. Yeah, I can't change environment here because I can't read Chinese. Is it in here? I think it'd be the same spot. Anyway, we have them both, so that's pretty cool. All right, so we got the Chinese Pico and video, and we have the other one. It's in the cast there. There we go. So, all right, so I'm gonna end it there. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to post that in Discord. That link, because I try to keep everything latest on Discord. Not trying to like push people to Discord or anything, but it's just kind of easier just to have everything in one spot. All right, so I think I'll just, unless you guys want something else for me to do, do you guys have anything else for me to do? Or want me to cover while I'm here? Because we covered a few things. And we covered the Friends app, we covered the video. Is there anything else that we need, like that you guys need from the latest firmware? I can't think of anything else. Let me put my headset on one last time and see if there's something else that you guys would need or want out of the headset. Well, if I can get it for you guys, I'll do it. But what else, you guys? I know the latest environment isn't the same anymore. I don't know if you can use the environment on my website to get that. Motion tracker. Oh, I could check to see if there's a new updated version of the motion tracker. Let's do that. I think last time I checked, I don't think there was. I think that they haven't updated that. So let me try that real quick. Hello, Jack. Welcome. Welcome. I'm trying to see if there's anything else that we need pulled out of my Chinese or global headset that you guys may need. I'm just checking for updates now for the fitness tracker, because sometimes they update those things, but it looks like there's no updates for the fitness tracker. There isn't any updates in the streaming assistant. They haven't updated that for quite a while. But yeah, welcome to the stream. And if you can think of anything that I missed besides the video and the Friends and Pico Fit scripts, I do need to change something on this. So if we're going here, I'm going to actually remove the cleaning of the cache because it may not work. So we may just do this. Oh, my activity center would have been disabled. My events. Should I leave the events in there? You know, if you are using a global firmware or a Chinese firmware, you don't need events. So let's just get rid of that. But let's clear out the clear cache because it's just going to give an error. And yeah. And I don't think it's really that necessary. So next time we have an update, we can just do that. Yeah, go ahead and try the video. I kind of showed it. See, I can't get it to run on my Pico 4. I don't know. It could be my developer settings for Pico Developer Kit. Could be this issue because of the drivers that I have for it. Because I do have the Pico for this, you know, like. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know much about this. But this could have messed up my scripting for like running scripts and stuff. So, but either way, we got it, you know, working. But yeah, so the video stuff works. Pico Fit is updated. Yeah, I don't know what else I need to do. Intel Arc has some updated drivers. I can double try and make it work again, but I don't think it will work. That's just because, you know, it is what it is. But I think we got everything. I think that's all. Yeah, I think that's an old video app that I don't need. Just dump it. Boom, we don't need that. Yeah, I don't need that. That's an old video app too. I think just keeping it organized better, I think will help me. Oh, so I'll show you guys something that someone else told me. I go in here, Streaming Assistant, and you go into Drivers. This right here is the fitness app that's made for the Pico Streaming Assistant. So the fitness trackers, this application, that's the application for the fitness trackers to work inside the Streaming Assistant, but they haven't enabled it yet. So there you have that, but they haven't done anything much. We can look at the driver port. We can like look at other things inside the. Oh, in here you guys can adjust your guys's situation inside the headset, so you can like make the so if you go into the Streaming Assistant, you know how like you have like so many bits per second or whatever, you guys can like actually adjust this up. So if you go into settings the bit rate, you can actually set the bit rate higher using RVR plugin. So like if you go in and like see this, the bit rate, you can like max it out more, so you can make it a higher bit rate. So if you wanted more than 100, sorry, if you wanted more than 150 megabits per second, you can just up this number, and it should then up your bit rate for streaming or whatever. And then you guys could, you know, set your scales, your IPV or IPVD. You can all adjust this all manually. There used to be an app that we had that was a the advanced streaming. There's a streaming app that would adjust this stuff, but it stopped working after a while. I think it was like an old version of Streaming Assistants that I would work with, but I think they just stopped. I think they stopped allowing, like, they stopped working with it. You just needed to update it, but they haven't done anything with it. Oh, you can add sharpening, but I think you can do that here now. Yeah, sharpening. So they used to not be able to do it. But eventually they're going to add in fitness trackers here on the next update. So that's going to be interesting. I just don't know like when or if they'll do it, but there you go. Okay, well, I'm going to let you guys go. You guys have a good night. Thank you for watching the videos, and I'm just going to go ahead and like cut this off. Thanks for watching, and have a good rest of your day, guys.